How to log in to Roblox. So if you want to log into Roblox, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Go with search and search for Roblox. After searching, go with www.roblox.com, which will take you to the official website. From here, it will take you to the sign up page. So if you want to log into your account, then you need to go with login, which is on the bottom right or on the top right. Once you click on login, you need to enter your username, your email address, and your phone number. After entering your username or your email address or phone number, you need to go with your password, enter your password. And after that, click on login and you'll be logged into your account. Or you can also go with email me a one-time code so that you will receive a code to your email address, and after entering that code, you'll be logged into your account. Or you can also go with use another device so that by scanning the QR code, you'll be able to log into your account. But if you don't remember your password and don't have any of these options, you can go with forgot password or username, and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then enter your credentials. After entering your credentials, just click on login and you'll be logged into your account. So that's how you can log into your Roblox, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.